Hanna, did you see lightning?
Yeah, I just that was the fun in my bedroom. I cried in there. So I'm so crying. And the long days I cried in my bedroom. You can't delete this. It's on my phone. Look, you see that?
What was it?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't delete this. I can't delete this. Oh no, that's the thunder. You hear it again? That's the thunder. Oh no, you're scared. You're scared. No. It's okay. It's just loud. It's really loud. Don't be scared. It's okay. It's okay, Mommy. Don't be scared. My name is